Hey guys, welcome back. So I don't do a lot of these luxury unboxing videos simply because I forget or I just don't do it, but I love watching videos like this. I wish I would have vlogged the experience because it was really nice, but really it was like a spare of the moment type of thing as far as like purchasing the item in the store. And I honestly was going to purchase the item online, but since I saw it in the store, I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and get it because it's here. You know, I was gonna buy it anyway. So my main focus with purchasing from this particular brand was comfort, even though I know he doesn't make his shoes for comfort, but I wanted to get a shoe that was going to be an everyday friendly shoe and that I could also walk in and it's not going to hurt my feet. You guys know I don't really enjoy wearing heels. They hurt my feet. They slow me down. I'm always on the go. I'm always rushing. So I just feel like you have to be a little slower in heels. And it may just be me, but I am getting better. I do wear like thicker heels with a little less height on them. But they're not grandmom-ish, okay? They're just comfortable. The shoes that I will be unboxing today from Christian Louboutin. There is a store, if you're in the Atlanta area, there is a store in the Buckhead area, and there is also a couple of other department stores that sell Christian Louboutin Saks as well as Neiman Marcus. Yeah, so I did a lot of research before purchasing this type of shoe because I didn't want to just go in and buy the first thing that I love, because honestly the shoe that I love, I can't walk in. I can't even stand in them. So I'm so grateful that I did my research before purchasing. And it also made the buying process a lot easier. I was able to tell my salesperson, Ashley, hey girl, I was able to tell her exactly what I was looking for, exactly what I needed, the height that I needed, what shoe I was looking for. It just made everything so much more easier. So as normal, anytime you buy a luxury item, of course it's going to come in a nicely wrapped box. I always suggest, if it's your first time purchasing something that's luxury, whether it's a purse, a jacket, a pair of shoes, a wallet, anything, I always suggest just go into the store, make sure you really want it, try it on, and you also get to have the box wrapped, or the item wrapped very pretty, and you also get to know your salesperson, which comes in handy when you need special items that is not in the store. I did have to go in and get proper sizing. I would not suggest that you buy Christian Louboutin on the website without knowing your size, because you may be a complete size up or a complete size down, but usually like the patent leather requires you to go up a size or up a half a size. It's going to fit more smaller, but over time it is going to loosen up. The leather is going to loosen up and it's going to give you more of a comfort fit, but you definitely have to break it in. In my case, I wear an 8.5 in heels and I had to literally go up. So enough talking, let's do the unboxing, girl. I'm so excited. It's like my first day buying it all over again. I'll go ahead and take the bow off. So it comes with two little dust bags. With this dust bag, it's actually like if your heel was to mess up, it comes with two extra ones that you can get, you know, replaced. So it comes in that. And then of course it comes with the dust bag to put the shoes in. I decided to pick up these cute little booties, which are called Belle. These are in the 100 millimeters and they're so comfortable to walk in. Honestly, when I met Ashley, I was like, okay, give me the 85. I want to start off with the 85 because I just heard so many stories about, you know, the shoes not being comfortable to walk in. He's not making them for comfort. It's more so like a stylish statement, and I'm instantly thinking the 100 millimeters is going to be just too long, just too tall for me. But the 85 was super duper comfortable, to the point where they were kind of looking grandmama-ish. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So I said, okay, bring me out the 100 millimeters. And she brought it out and I was like, I can do this, because let me show you guys. So the heel is a lot thicker. It makes you feel a lot more stable on your feet, and it's super duper comfortable because of the because of the width and the thickness of the heel. Now also, I love that this is pretty much like your standard booty, really. It's just that, you know, you have a little bit more comfort on the heel, so it makes the shoe a lot more comfortable. So with this, I actually got a size 40, which is a 10, girl. Yes, you heard me. It's a 10. And I wear an 8.5 typically in shoes, but because this is European sizing, it is recommended to go up a size. But you don't want your shoe to be too big, because with it being leather, the shoe is going to widen out, or it's going to become a little bit more looser, and you definitely might experience a little bit of slippage. Heel slippage. That's something that you don't want to, you know, experience with purchasing such an expensive shoe. You definitely want to make sure you get the right size. I did go into the store and I tried the Pagels. Love them. I love the Pagel. Hundreds. Love them. I tried the 85, but it was giving me grandmama vibes, so I did not stick to that. But the Pagel Follies, which I try at Saks, I do not recommend them for someone who is not really experienced in wearing heels, and if you're going to be wearing them all day, because they really do hurt. The heel is a lot more skinnier, but they are very beautiful, and I believe the Pagels are only sold at a Christian Louboutin store, simply because when I went to Saks, when I went to Neiman Marcus, they didn't have a clue that the Pagels are being sold. So I did some more research and I found out that typically you can find your Pagels at the actual Louis Vuitton store. As you can see, this is the beautiful, well-known red bottom. It's so pretty, and you know, the main focus is just make sure this doesn't get scratched up. So this is what you're really going to see when you're wearing the shoe. It's something that you can definitely wear, you know, with anything. It's definitely going to be a trending piece of item in my collection, in my closet. Because here's my thing, I love his shoes, but I don't love them enough to splurge on them and have my feet hurting. So I would love for him, and I know, you know, my little 2 cents don't mean a damn thing, but I would love for him to make a boot, or make boots that come, you know, above the knee or to the knee, and have a comfortable heel on them so that you can wear them every day. That's just my little request. But yeah, if you're looking for a very cute, comfortable booty that is high end on the luxury side, definitely check out the Christian Louboutin Belle. These heels are absolutely stunning, and the heel is really, really comfortable to walk in. So yeah, that is pretty much my little unboxing video of my first pair of red bottoms. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more luxury unboxing videos, definitely thumbs up this video and let me know below in the comment section. And thanks for watching.